Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files between Windows and iPhone wirelessly, both from Windows to iPhone and vice versa. For this method to work, both your iPhone and Windows device need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. First, on your Windows device, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and note down the IP address of the network you're connected to. We'll need this later in the video. Now go back and open Advanced Sharing Settings. Under the Public section, or Private if you're using your home Wi-Fi, turn on the required sharing options. Once that's done, go to the folder or drive that you want to use for file transfers. Right-click the folder, go to Properties, then open the Sharing tab. Click on Advanced Sharing, check Share this folder. Then click on Permissions. Enable both read and change permissions. Once you are done,
click Apply.
Now open the Files app on your iPhone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Connect to Server. Enter the IP address we saved earlier and make sure to type SMB // before the IP address. Then enter your Windows PC username and password as the login credentials. And that's it. You'll now be able to access the shared drive directly from your iPhone. Now browse to the folder with the files you'd like to transfer. Now copy the files you need and paste them into your preferred folder on the iPhone. Now that we've completed the transfer from Windows to iPhone, let's see how to transfer files from iPhone to Windows. Just copy the files you want on your iPhone. Open the desired folder on the shared drive and paste them there. The files will instantly appear on your Windows PC. Once the transfer is complete, you may choose to remove the shared drive for security or privacy purposes. And don't forget to disable those sharing settings afterward to keep your PC secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.